Hi, I'm Kasha and I'm going to run you through a few quick tips on writing short stories. Here's my first tip. You might have heard about this classic story structure, but in a short story you're not going to be able to hit every point on that arc. Instead, skip over the exposition and throw your reader straight into the action. Secondly, don't worry about plotting out every detail of your story. Instead, concern yourself with one well-developed main character and one or two events at most. When writing a short story, don't be fooled by what you know about writing a novel. Short fiction is more about feeling than complex storylines. Generally speaking, what do you want your reader to experience? What feeling do you want to leave them with at the end? Within your first paragraph, you want to have introduced your main character and the core feeling of your story. In fact, the very first line you write should be laced with intrigue. This opening line by Raymond Carver is an excellent example. The reader is drawn straight into the action of the tale, given a sense of anxiety, and introduced to the main characters. Draw inspiration from the things you have experienced. This is a pretty common tip, but it's common because it's true. You will be able to write much more efficiently about the things you know, and that makes for good storytelling. Exposition should be delivered quickly and subtly. In a novel, you have plenty of time to elaborate, but in short fiction, you must weave crucial information into the action, letting your reader know what's important without eating up too much space with detail. Your ending should be as strong as your beginning. You want to take your reader on a journey, but not leave them stranded a mile from their destination. You can still leave your reader with questions, as long as you give them a satisfactory conclusion on the whole. Another tip I like to give is that on the first draft of your story, just write. It's really easy to get caught up on the little things. But don't let your inner editor come out until you have the bare bones of your story laid down. When it is time to edit, remember that this is a short story. Every sentence should move your story forward or tell your reader something important. If it doesn't, cut it out. Over time, you can get too fond or too critical of your own work, so it's a really good idea to get someone you trust, someone unbiased, to take a look at it as well. Finally, good luck in the competition. And if you'd like to learn more, follow us on social media for more information about our free upcoming creative writing class.